My name is Kylie Benoit and I'm a choral music education major. I attended camp for 1 year. I feel like I definitely was more musically prepared. I was part of the chamber choir the year that I did it with Dr. Benoit, and we had to sight read all the pieces, and that helped me learn music faster. I still email a couple of the professors every so often, but mainly on the friend side, all of the friends that I have currently, or at least most of them, came from the music camp, and we're all a big friend group here, and from other choral events too, so that really made my friend group. I knew that I probably wanted to attend FSU, but I had never been, and so the camps definitely put that in my mind and put it more on my radar than it was before. My favorite camp memory is probably when I performed with the chamber chorus with Dr. Hannibal. We did Music Down My Soul by Moses Hogan, and I love that song so much. My advice for future campers or FSU students is definitely to do everything, to try and take every opportunity you have and put yourself forward. Like any audition, any opportunity, go for it because you have to try.